Immediate evacuation order for areas within a 4-mile radius from the train derailment site. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tarrant County Emergency Management. 2 trains have collided in the city of Fort Worth. One train was believed to have been carrying an unknown chemical, the other was believed to have been carrying sulfuric acid and ammonium nitrate. At this time, the train carrying sulfuric acid and ammonium nitrate is on fire. Due to the nature of the situation, residents in a 4-mile radius from the derailment site are to evacuate now. Law enforcement have closed portions of Interstate 35 West and Interstate 30. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tarrant County Emergency Management. Residents within a 10-mile radius from the train derailment are to evacuate now. The train carrying the ammonium nitrate has created a large explosion. It has also been discovered that the other train carrying the unknown chemical has been discovered to have been carrying nuclear waste. Further explosions may cause the radioactive material to go into the air. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for a 10-mile radius from the train derailment site.
The civil authorities have issued a radiological hazard warning for Dallas, TX, Denham, TX, Ellis, TX, Johnson, TX, Parker, TX, Tarrant, TX and Wise, TX. Beginning at 12:39 a.m. and ending at 2:39 a.m., WBAP. The sulfuric acid has come in contact with a nuclear waste train car, and it is believed that the acid has breached the nuclear waste train car. A huge smoke plume has emerged from the derailment site. The smoke is pulling east at this time. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for a 20-mile radius from the derailment site in Fort Worth.
The following is transmitted at the request of emergency management officials. Due to a radiological situation on the railway diamond below the Interstate 35 West, Interstate 30 interchange, the interchange will remain closed until further notice and residents will not be allowed to return to the area. This will go for a 5-mile radius from the city of Fort Worth. The rerouting will occur on Interstate 820 and Interstate 20 as well as alternative routes in the area until cleanup operations are complete. This may take several years.